Hello, we are here live. This is Nave's Cleaning Service. We are videoing a residential carpet that we're doing. You can see the color popping. This is before living room, that's after. But you put down a pre-treat, one of our special secret sauces, and we let it sit, and then we use special machines, groomers, and then we have, we're using a portable today because we were very far away on this particular house, and we had 300 some, maybe almost 350 feet of hose on a truck mount, but we could not reach even with that. So the portables work when you know what you're doing. You can establish the same results. So wanted to get this on video. This is then after. So we're using a very powerful portable method. Just got doing some upholstery here. Some dining room seats. Again, you can see the difference after. This is for any of your commercial or residential carpeting needs at www.naveclean.com.